Are we live? Are we live? Yeah, looks like it. But I don't see myself. Okay, now. Hey everyone, welcome back to 4 AM Trading. I'm your gracious host, David Burry, and I wanted to update you on this little short scalp that I had already running, but right now we have an additional confirmation that the short should be legit, should be good. So we're looking at the 30 minutes, and in the live stream before I told you that first we need to see some confirmation of this breakout. So first we need to retest it, and then we go down, create engulfing candles, and then it's confirmed. So right now, obviously we have this resistance line, which is quite strong, but in my experience, after breaking such strong trend lines, this support lines break sooner or later. Also, we see all the momentum on Market Cipher or Market Liberator going down. RSI is going down. On the RSI, we are below the 200 moving EMA of the RSI. So usually, if we are above it, in the 200 EMA, yeah, then we are bearish. Bullish, and now we are bearish. So yeah, you can take it for what it's worth. You can open a short position right now, of course, all at your own risk, no financial advice, and it might still fake out. It might still do this one and then go up, maybe then bounce off and then go down. It might do all kinds of things, but I will probably add to my short position right now, because more often than not, what I saw is just downwards movement after breaking this kind of trend lines on 30 minutes, 15 minutes. And also on the 30 minutes, we have a little death cross here, little deathy, little crossy between the 8 EMA and 21 EMA. So usually, as you can see, if the 8 EMA, which is the red line, is above the 21 EMA, the blue line, we are going upwards. We are bullish, like here for a long time. But as soon as the red EMA is below the 21 EMA, the 8 EMA, the red one is below, then we go down. So it just started. Sometimes it goes back, of course, very quickly. It dips down, the red one, for example, dips below the blue one, and then goes back up again, like here, for example. Goes a little bit down, then goes back up, or right here. Oh shit. Or here you can see, goes down, dips, and goes back up again. Can happen, but this is why it's trading. It's the randomness factor, or whatever, the unsecurity, what's the word, uncertainty is always there. So yeah, that's it. I just wanted to update you. Let's check the 15 minutes, what's happening there on the 15 minutes. And as I said before, the money flow, the green, the money is leaving the market. We are getting the red money flow in. So what might happen now is that the momentum would curve up. The momentum on the Liberator, the blue momentum, could curve up again and do this, and it would mean that the price would also do something similar. For example, do something like this, go and this, maybe even higher, maybe like this, and go down, you know. What also can happen is if you connect the newly developed line, you connect it with the previous lows, And sometimes what I see is that after going down, it retests this line at least, you know, and before going lower, and it would confluent with the momentum curving up and down. So this is just all the possibilities that can happen, and yeah, I'm just making you aware of that. Let me get this line back in again. Actually, it might be quite useful to keep it there. Let's make it dotted like this. So yeah, right now we are retesting it on the 15 minute, but the 15 minutes are gonna close. And also, I mean, if it would go straight back up the 15 minute like this and create a new engulfing candle, you understand, like this, then it might be a little bit less bearish. But as of now, it's just creating a little candle which is smaller than the previous one and also has a big wick on the upside. So I think it's quite safe now to add to my short position. Let's see. Not sure, not 100% sure that I'm gonna do it, but I might. I'm just looking at this and hoping for my trade to be positive again, to be in profit again. So okay, let's wait another 15 seconds. Okay, let's at least add something, just a little bit. Oh no, not with limits, market order, just something. Okay, I hope internet will not give up on me. Okay, let's observe. So we closed the candle with a big wick, which is a sign of weakness of the bulls. They tried to pump the price up here, but it was rejected. The bears were stronger. So yeah, that's what it is. We are below the moving averages, which are bearish now. They flipped. You see the red one, the 8 EMA is below the 21 EMA, and usually after this happens, the price of course retests them again and again in this manner. Let me show you. The price retests them like this, then again and again, but all the while it retested, they drop lower and lower and lower. This EMAs, they go lower and lower and lower, like this, for example. And the price keeps retesting them, like this, like this, like this, until they flip back again, until this, for example, red EMA flips above the 21 EMA, and then we go up again. But before it does it, very often what we see is continuous retest of this area between them while this area is dropping. So now we're going for the retest. Yeah, and also we broke the neckline of our beautiful double top. Look, it's very beautiful double top. First top, bottom, second top, which is lower than the previous one. Very nice, very good. So we broke it right here. This was the neckline. We broke it, we closed it below it. Now we are retesting it, and yeah, for me it's looking good. Maybe one thing what we could look out for right now, maybe we have some new divergences to pay attention to. Let's see if there's something to worry about. Okay, lower low on the momentum, higher high on the price. It's bullish. Yeah, bullish divergence. But we are beginning to get bearish. So if we are in the downtrend, then the bullish divergence often don't result in a huge upwards movement, but instead they result in a sideways movement before breaking down again. So if this divergence, you see this lower lows and higher lows, if this divergence means that we are going up a little bit, probably we will be kissing this new trend line, create a lower high and go down again. And also here, create maybe a higher high and go down again. Actually, let me keep it, those lines, and later I can see if I was right. So yeah, okay, 10 minutes. I will probably wait another 10 minutes until the retest, and as soon as we touch them and retest them and go down again on a 15 time frame, or maybe 7, let's check 7, like half of it. Yeah, on the 7 we retested it already, and now going down. No, I think it's safer to go with the 15. I think I will wait for the 15 minutes touch and retest of this new dotted resistance line, and at this point I will probably add more to my short position. But this, if I add to it, I will not update you anymore. I will just do it. So the next live stream will be tomorrow in the morning, or if there's something super important happening today. So, alright, thanks for watching. Eat protein, eat meat, work out, trade, and get them girls, baby. Yeah. Goodbye.